So you've already looked at how to use selection in Python, where you would ask the user for some sort of input and then you check to see what their input is. If it's equal to start, then you would print game started. If it's equal to load, then you would say game loaded. If it's exit, then you would exit the game, and anything else would be an invalid option. So this is like our basic structure for an if-elif statement. Now when we use what's called a switch case statement, this is a recent addition to Python. So essentially when you use a switch case statement, it should have the word switch, but in Python they've decided to call it match instead. So it's called a match case statement, but it is the same as a switch case. But in Python, we use the word match. So what you do to structure it, if you look at them side by side, is you ask for the input in both. So you've got your input, and we've got our input. But then the next bit is, instead of saying if choice equals, you say match choice. So we start with switch or match, doesn't matter which you put on the exam. Put match or switch and then the name of the variable. And that begins the switch case kind of setup. And then underneath, all you do is for every possible option that people can type in, you just put the word case. So case, case, case. So in the case of in the case of choice being start, do this. In the case of choice being load, do this. In the case of exit, you do this, and in the case of anything else, you use an underscore, it does this. So if you look at them side by side, they're almost identical to each other really. It's just a case of remembering the kind of structure. Okay, so if, elif, 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 for every time you want another condition, you use elif. For switch case, you just do case for every possible situation that you could have as the input. Okay, so if you can remember if and elif all the way down, all you do is you swap your ifs and your elifs for this. And at the start, you need to make sure you put switch and the name of the variable, or match and the name of the variable.